Good morning, everyone. Welcome to English e-learning class. Today we are again going to continue our chapter number 4 of your English literature book of class 7th. And the name of the chapter was Fight Manju, Fight. A story by Sigran Srivastav. In the previous videos, I have told you about Manjula's deformity, that the poor girl has claw-like malformed fingers and clumsy feet. But still, the little girl has a passion for painting. She was a great follower of Ahmad Hussain, one of the India's greatest painter. And I have also told you that Manjula's mother, who used to motivate her a lot, but her father, he didn't like her passion and he wanted his daughter to learn cooking and stitching instead. So here in the slide you can see Manjula's mother who always praise her for her artistic skills. She see how much happy her face appears in the picture while she look at the painting done by her daughter. She motivates her a lot. Now, continue the summary. On hearing the conversation between her parents, Manjula was terribly upset. She tore her painting into pieces and decided to stop painting. Next day, there was a great change in Manjula's behavior. The girl went straight into the kitchen with her mother. She wanted to learn cooking. And this was quite a surprise for her mother and also for her brother Amol. Her brother Amol wants Manjula to participate in on the spot painting competition. वो चाहता था कि उसके स्कूल में एक ऑन द स्पॉट पेंटिंग कंपटीशन है. वो चाहता था कि उसकी सिस्टर वहाँ पार्टिसिपेट करे. Because he was quite confident that Manjula, she has a great hand in painting, she would definitely win first prize if she participates. So he keep on insisting her to participate there, but Manjula had made her mind that she didn't want to because her father don't want to waste his money on her painting. Just then what happened? Her brother Amol, no doubt he was a naughty child, but he has a great presence of mind. He was mature beyond his age. So in order to make Manjula to prepare her mind to participate, what he did, he placed a newspaper cutting in her bedroom. And when Manjula went to her bedroom, she saw newspaper cutting on a table. And when she took up the newspaper cutting, that she was surprised to see that it gave a heading, playing soccer with artificial feet. It was a headline in the paper, playing soccer with artificial feet. So it was about Rich Blanger, a great soccer player who had lost his feet in a train accident. So after losing his feet, even then he became a footballer when nobody believed him. Even his parents didn't believe him. That person, that Rich Blanger, he became one of the greatest footballers of his time. So Manjula felt encouraged. She was quite surprised that if Rich Blanger can do, then why couldn't me? So she felt encouraged, she felt motivated. She was to fight and take out the painting material which she had dumped in the cupboard. She took out all of her paintings and she made an announcement that she is going to participate in on the spot painting competition. So this is what Amol wanted. So mission Amol successful. This is what he wanted for his sister. Amol goes off to the school to help in the painting competition arrangements, and Manjula tells her decision to participate and talks about Rich Blanger and refuses to give in. So what a beautiful message the story gives us. Where there is a will, there is a way. And you can see the slide where you find Amol trying to motivate his sister with a newspaper cutting of Rich Blanger. So happy reading, and I hope you all have enjoyed the story of Manjula. Thank you.